If your League client looks frozen but your Wi-Fi is fine, you're probably facing the classic tutorial bug. Don't worry, you're not alone. Here's how to fix it, step by step. Step 1. Be patient. The patching screen often gets stuck because a massive download is happening in the background. Open Task Manager and check if League or the Riot client are using a lot of internet. If yes, grab a snack and let it finish. These downloads can be huge. Still stuck? Try force quitting League and Riot client using Task Manager, then restart. Sometimes, that alone does the trick. No luck? Open the Riot client, hit the gear icon, and choose Repair Game. This takes a while. Think of it as a power nap for your computer. If you're still stuck, download Riot's Hextech Repair tool for an automatic fix. Worst case? Uninstall, delete all Riot folders, and reinstall from scratch. Still no joy? Submit a support ticket to Riot. They can even finish the tutorial for you. Stay patient, Summoner. You've got this.